All right, deep breath in up. Get started right away. Reach the skies and bring it down. We're going to start doing undulation to kind of wake up your spine. Let's go into our right corner. I want you to bring your right foot forward and reach forward as high as you can. And as you bring your arms down, I want you to kind of drop back from the back foot. All the way on the back foot, and now start doing your undulation. From the upper body, going all the way down to your pelvic. Lift and roll down. Let's do that again. We're going to reach and do 2 undulations. Reach and then roll down and undulate. Try to undulate through your spine. Wake that spine up. Energize it. Deep breath in up. And breathe out. I'm going to start with a shoulder roll. Start with your left. Roll. Face the front. Roll. Bring your shoulders all the way to the front. And then open up your heart. Again, roll forward and open. Bring your ear to your right shoulder. And then chin down. We're going to just roll and release all that tension to your neck. And bring it into the center. And then cross over to the other side. Good. Just kind of wake up the muscles around your neck. We're going to look to the right as far as we can. And to the left. And bring it in. I'm going to do the same thing on the left side. I want you to reach as high as you can and then just kind of roll down. And then just undulate through your spine. Again, reach. And roll down. Reach up here and then kind of just roll through your spine. One more. Reach up and down and roll through the spine. From up to down. Shoulder roll. Right, left, right, left. Roll forward and open. Now let's do a chest circle. We're going to go to the right, front, left, back. So we're kind of opening up and waking up the upper body. Now switch the other side. And then we're eventually going to go and repeat this all the way down. So let's go up again, reach, and then roll down, undulate. Reach. Down, undulate, shoulder roll, left, right, shoulders forward, open, chest circle from right towards the left. And now, reach forward, down, forward, down and undulate. Shoulder roll. Chest roll forward and open. And now let's go down to the hips, circle. Now we're going to switch the other side. And then we're going to go down to our knees. Circle out. And then circle in. And then I want you to push your knees back. And then slowly bring yourself up. And have a wonderful day.